Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and we're just going to make a little chili bean casserole today. My granddaughter's with me, and I wanted to take something for her to take something home for her husband and little boy. So I thought this would be such a good dish to take home because this is something they love a lot. You probably made it. It's put your Frito-Lays on the bottom. And from that, you put your jelly beans. Now, I made these. And if you look back at my recipes, you'll see the recipe for this. It's my favorite recipe for jelly beans, that's for sure. In fact, I think our whole family loves jelly beans. And they're very easy, and they're very forgiving as what you can eat with most of all little boys and men like chili beans. That's my tip for the day. Yeah, if you want the recipe for chili beans, just go to my site. Okay, let's put a little row of cheese there. Can't get too much cheese. Okay, now our last step is cornbread. And of course, isn't this a wonderful thing to have, Jiffy cornbread? Although I like to make my own cornbread when you come into a squeeze Jiffy. And I'm just going by the recipe on the box. I got my oven on 400. That's what the chili bean box, the box calls for. And I got a little bit of milk and sour cream here. 1/3 of a cup. It's actually, this is a half a cup, but it's should to be 2/3 of a cup, but I don't think we're going to need that today. Now, almost there. I think I am going to have that other third. Maybe not. No, that's good. Now we're just going to spoon it in spoonfuls of our chili beans. See how easy it is? And it really is a very good dish. If you've got good chili beans. Now, if you don't have good chili beans, maybe you've got a problem. I remember for years, I did the canned chili beans before. It's been many years, believe me, ago. Now I have more cheese to put on this, But I'm going to wait till it's done because with it being on 400, I think the cheese would do nothing but burn. Well, I think we're there, ready to go in the oven. Okay, into the oven we go for about 18 minutes. Well, it's been almost 20 minutes and it's time to get it out. I waited this long because I wanted to get good brown on top. And it did. You know, if I had thought about it, I would have put jalapenos on top of it. That would have been good. But I've got mozzarella cheese to put on it, but we talked about it, and I don't think it would go good with cornbread. Let me make sure it's good and done. Good enough. So you can see how pretty it turned out. Let's see. Haley, you want to come and see it? Or see her? You don't want to? My granddaughter's want to have a little boy. She's already got a little boy, so this is 2 little boys, so it's always fun to have her with me. Well, it's been fun today. I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing this. I've enjoyed my granddaughter being here. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you soon. Bye.